SERV, stock analysis, tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So SERV Robotics sitting at this 1168. A very interesting day because we put us apart above, like, you're up like 10%, which is nice regarding SERV. But also you have to understand with SERV we've been going now for quite some time. Like, I mean, just recently we've been kind of retracing, but before that. So in reality, two ways that I would approach this market right now. One, either it comes lower and gives me a double break, or two, it gives me a break above here. It just, all I'm waiting for is just a bullish momentum pretty much. And that is when the price breaks 2 times towards my direction. Put it simply, you know, it's a lack of accumulation or distribution, but yeah, I'm just trying to make it simple. And it's not like I'll try to force buys here. I'll be really waiting and being patient. So that's my opinion. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It gives me thousands of correct predictions. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.